Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You have the dock open and basic settings ready. Start by enabling tracking. Turn on track changes or suggesting mode so every edit is recorded. This preserves intent and makes reversions safe. Next, adjust sharing permissions so only the right people can edit versus comment. Once done, create a short outline or heading structure to anchor edits. This guides global changes and prevents aimless tweaks. Finally, save a version or duplicate the file before large edits to maintain a restore point. You now dive deeper. Apply paragraph and character styles so formatting is uniform. This saves time and avoids manual fixes later. Edit in focused passes, first content and structure, then clarity and tone, followed by grammar and formatting, because sequential passes reduce errors. Use built-in find and replace for repeated fixes and insert comments where context or decisions are needed. Mention teammates to get fast responses. Make sure to reconcile track changes and accept or reject them after consensus to keep history clean. You're finishing. Resolve comments, accept or reject track changes, and perform a final read-aloud pass to catch rhythm and clarity. This nails presentation quality. Export the document to the required format, then review layout, images, and hyperlink behavior. Small shifts occur between formats. If collaborators report missing edits or sync conflicts, download the latest local copy and compare versions. Use the document history to merge changes or recover lost content. One troubleshooting tip: if edits vanish, check permissions and version history before redoing work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.